Hello everybody and welcome back to Messing with ComputerCraft, as I am going to call it for now. And we're going to be making a password protected door. I have another project coming soon, hopefully, that has to do with this smeltery, but I couldn't quite get that working, so we're going to do this. So we're going to be making what is running in this computer right now. I don't have the top light coded in just yet, but I will do that in this one. So if we click, exit, you just run door, you can see it pops up, and if we type password, nothing's happening. If we type fish, ta-da, light turns off, opens door, turns it back on once the door is shut. So that's pretty simple, and we can get right into it. I'm not sure how hard you would classify this tutorial. It's actually decently easy. But, yeah, let's get into it. So, first off, we're gonna do something that's not necessary. You can skip this if you want. I'm just gonna do it so you guys have more customizability. So if you do paste bin, get this, and then door. And this is a program, or not really a program, just a bunch of variable type things for the different colors. It's actually called Color Core on Pastebin. I'll link it in the description. But it's just this. It really makes it easy to access all the colors and stuff. Not quite all of them are in there, but that's a whole handful, so in case you need them. So this is going to be the base to our door. And yeah, anytime you need to get a color, you just type T color like that, parentheses, and then the color you need. So let's get right into it. You want to start off with a while true do thing. Or actually, no, I'm totally messed up. I was thinking of another one. You want to do local pass equals, and then just quotation marks. And you do while, and then pass is not equal to, which is the brief sign, I believe it's called, above the tab key on your keyboard. You want to press that, and then equals, and put that, and then put whatever password you want. So I'll do Bob for whatever reason, and then do. And there is the code we will be running. So to start off, let's set our redstone on the bottom to be on. So we're going to do rs.set output, and then bottom true, and that will turn our red light on. Next, we will set the color for our name of the program. Let's just set it to pink. There we go. Just because I don't think it really matters if you have caps in or not, but I'm just gonna put it that way. Sorry about that. So let's do that, and then we'll want to do print and the name of our program. So let's just do password door. This can be anything you want, it does not matter whatsoever. And close that off. Make sure you always get your parentheses, as that is very important. And we're going to select our second color. And we're just going to make this really ugly and make it orange. And then we're going to do a right thing, and then let's do password. And then we're going to do a colon and a space. That will just keep things nice and neat. So if the password is not equal to the Bob or whatever you set it to, it will run the code inside that, or it will continue running that code inside that. And if we do end, we can edit the code outside. So we're going to do rs.setOutput bottom, and then false. This will take a little bit, so I apologize for that. I'm going to do set output top true. There we go. That will set the bottom light off and turn the top one on. And now we need to open our door. And I made a typo there. Okay, so now we need to open our door. So we're going to do rs.setOutput. And then whatever side your door is on. So in my case, it is the left. And we're going to do true. Just like that. And now you want to do sleep and the number of seconds. I usually do 2 to 3. That seems good for getting through easily. You can do 4, but that's pretty long. So we're just going to do a 3. And now we got to retype all that stuff, but in the opposite way. You can actually assign this to a variable. I didn't do it for this, but it is possible, and it works fine, and it is much quicker. So you want to do true. Hopefully my keyboard noise isn't as loud as it was the last time I did one of these. You'll have to let me know in the comments, and also I will know at the end of this video. And now left. False. Alright, so that should turn our bottom light off. Open the door and have this one on, the green light one on, and do the opposite. Now one thing I forgot up here, you want to do term.clear, like that, and term.set cursor pause or position. It is just put as pause, and then do 1, 1. And that will just clean out the terminal to make our program look nice. And I'll do the same thing down here. I didn't comment any of this, but probably a good thing to do. I don't do it as much as I should, but yeah. And that should be good. So, all that is that, and then that. So, let's see. Let's save and exit and door. Yeah, something is not right. One problem, I forgot to add something that even makes it possible. So you want to do pass equals read. And now you can put parentheses there. And you can do, which I highly recommend if you're like on a server, just put quotation marks and a asterisk in the middle. And that will block out all your stuff from being accessed. And up here you'll want to do a while true do loop. And down here you will want to add an end. Just like that. Save, exit, and let's run door. Yeah, there we go. And nothing's happening. But this light is on, that one is off, and the door is shut. So let's type in fish. And nothing happened. Why not? Oh, derp. I forgot the password. Bob. As you can see, the light turned green, that one went off, and the door opened. So yeah, that's how you make a simple password protected door. It's pretty awesome. And then when you're inside the base to come out, all you gotta do is click the button and you are back out. And if you really wanted to, you could just get rid of the button and put just make them use the back of this computer, as it is perfectly accessible. So if they come in from one way, they can't get out into the other part. So yeah, I hope you enjoyed this tutorial. I will quickly paste bin this program. So I believe it's called door. Yes, just double checking. Oh, one quick thing. I'll paste bin this first, and you can follow along. So paste bin, put, and then door. And there is the code. I will put it on screen. I will quickly grab it with Notepad because I'm so professional, as you all know. So we're going to do 9H78BAA7. Okay, there we go. And now we want to put something very important in. Now, this program works really good, but as you can see, I could terminate it. So if you're on a server, that doesn't work very well because people can just shut off your computer and it's done. So a few things you will want to do. You're going to edit door. Up at the top, we'll want to put local old poll equals os.poll event. Next, we want to do os.poll event. Make sure you have all the capital letters and stuff correctly. Equals os.poll event raw. Just like that. And now you want to go to the very bottom and type os.poll event equals old poll. So now you want to save it and exit it. And let's run door. So we'll type in our password, nothing's happening. If we press Control T and hold it, nothing is happening. So yeah, that is how you lock your door. You want to make sure you have your code paste binned or something like that so you don't lose access. I know there is a way to redo it. I don't know how at this point, but I'm sure if you check online you could easily find it. That little block of code I showed you there, I don't personally know exactly how it works, but I know that's what you need. And now we're going to make it run at startup. So we can still do a Control R, and yeah, you can get right in and everything like that. And just go into Lua and stuff like that, but we don't want that to work. So we're going to do edit startup. Just like that, and we're going to do shell dot run, and then we're going to do the name of our program. In this case, it's door. And we're going to do a simple parentheses, save that, exit, and reboot. So now when we click on it, it will pop up this. And if we do that all again, Control T doesn't work. Mashing it down, and if we hit Control R, it'll restart right into the program, and there's no way they can get rid of that. So yeah, that's how you make a password protected door. I forgot to add that in the beginning, but yeah, that's all you need to do. It's relatively simple, it's pretty cheap, and it looks awesome. And if you want, you can actually expand this out with like a redstone wire or something and add more doors or make it a piston door. It's pretty customizable, and with the text colors I have in there, you can change it and make it look however you want. So I hope you guys enjoyed this tutorial. I know I did, and if you liked it, leave a comment, subscribe, like, dislike. I would like to hear any or see any feedback. And yeah, this is Heller Tech signing out. I hope you enjoyed.